Hello everyone and welcome to Big Matt's Computers for another video. Hope everyone is doing well. Now in this video guys, we have a very special build for a very special Big Matt's Computers customer. So what we have here, what do we have? What does this build consist of? Well, what we have is a Armageddon Vulcan case, which is a really good budget case, these things, and they're pretty good to do a build in, you know. Got yourself a hard drive bay down there. And you know, so you've got a couple of 3.5-inch bays down there. Got an SSD support here for that if you want to put an SSD in. And you know, got support for a DVD or a CD drive up here. 5.25-inch support there. So what do we have? What does this build consist of? Well, here driving this thing, we have an i5-6400 CPU with a stock Intel cooler, as you can see. 500 watt power supply. We have for some gaming here, because this customer wants to do some gaming, wants to get into PC gaming, and this will certainly be able to cope with that. We have a RX 570 Aorus model, as you can see here, 4 gig version, combined with the i5-6400. That should be able to do a fair bit of competent gaming at decent settings. And full-on settings for older titles. What else we got? 2 terabyte hard drive down there. 8 gig of RAM, DDR4, obviously. 2133. Not massively fast RAM, but fast enough to get the job done in this instance. And as you can see there, we've got the red light on the fan for the front. And I'll probably throw another fan at the back for this customer as well. So that's what's going on here at Big Matt's Computers today, guys. So yeah, another build for another customer, and as you can see here, we've got Windows 10 installed, all ready to roll. Drivers are installed. Steam just come up there, as you can see. So this customer's going to be all good to go with their new gaming PC. So thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe if you like the content, and we'll see you next time around at Big Matt's Computers. Bye.